Good day, sir. I'm Jen Kelly Screen Umak. Our activity for today is all about collection and preservation of biological evidence, specifically blood and body fluid collection. There are four methods on how to collect blood fluids. First is cutting, second is stiff lifting, and third is weight absorption, and last is scraping. The first method that we are going to perform is cutting. The investigator need to do is cut the portion of the items where the suspected bloodstain adheres. The instrument we use is scissor, and then we put it in a bag in order to preserve the type of evidence that we discovered on the suspected item. The second method on collection blood and body fluid is weight absorption method. The item that we use here are cotton buds and distilled water. In order to moisture the tip of cotton buds and sub it in a suspected evidence, and after that we air dry the collection mats and preservation of evidence, and after we put in a paper bag, we sealed and we filled in the evidence tag as identification of evidence, and also we're doing a cotton buds dried, not moistured by distilled water as other adoption or way of absorption of evidence on collecting. The third activity that we're going to perform is teeth lifting. Teeth lifting is the only applicable or non-absorbent or material like cement, tiles, or glass. In this activity, we use scotch tape and lifter instead of using fingerprint lifter to remove a suspected blood stain adhering on the suspected materials or item, and then we put in the bag paper to preserve the evidence and seal in the properly for laboratory examination that would be done by the investigator. The last method that we are going to perform is a scraping method. Must be done on scraping the item where the suspected evidence adheres. Scraping must be done on removing a suspected stain on something by sterilized sharp object or material. In this activity, we use the knife to remove a suspected stain on the wood, and also we use a clean band paper to catch the falling scrap evidence for falling into a ground, and then we put in the evidence on the paper bag to preserve the evidence and laboratory examination. Good day, sir. That would be all. Thank you.